Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to find the derivative of a function using a chain rule. Uh, Chain rule is one method to find the derivative of a function, especially if the function are a combination of two or more functions. That means one function written in another function form. Let me see the chain rule. Let y is equals to f at u. That means u is one function and u is equals to g of x. Then we can rewrite y as y is equals to f at g of x. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to dy by du times du by dx. This is the general form. Let's make the example. This example, y is equals to x squared plus 1 the whole cubed. To find the derivative of this one, first dy by du, dy by dx means that dy by du times du by dx. From this, let y u is equals to x squared plus 1, x squared plus 1. Therefore, to du by dx, the derivative of u with respect to x is equals to d by dx of x squared plus 1. This is equal to 2x, the derivative of x squared plus 1, 2x. The other one, dy by du. dy by du. That means d by du of x squared plus 1 over cubed means that u cubed, since u is equals to x squared plus 1. Therefore, the derivative of u cubed with respect to du is 3u squared. Since the derivative is this one, when it comes to the general formula, to find the derivative of f of x, we can say that dy by dx is equals to dy by du times du by dx. We can substitute those terms in the proper position. Therefore, dy by du is equals to 3u squared, the derivative of u cubed, times du by dx. We can find 2x. Since u is equals to x squared plus 1, therefore we can substitute in terms of, in place of u, 3 into x squared plus 1 times 2x. Therefore, 6x into x squared plus 1 this one is the value of dy by dx. The second example is that y is equals to root x squared minus 4x plus 5, x squared minus 4x plus 5. To find the derivative of this one, let u is equals to x squared minus 4x plus 5. Let me choose this equation. This polynomial equation becomes u. Therefore, du by dx, this implies, or from this, du by dx equals the derivative of this one. Since the degree is 2, therefore 2x minus the second term, 4. Therefore, d by dx of x squared plus 4x plus 5 is equals to 2x minus 4. From this, we can say that dy by du equals, since u is equals to x squared minus 4x plus 1, du by dx of root u. Therefore, root the polynomial function is u. Therefore, root u, d by du of root u. this is equal to root u, means that d by du of u to the power of 1 over 2. We can write in simple way. This is equal to, since u to the power of 1 over 2, derivative of this one is 1 over 2 times u to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. 1 over 2 minus 1. This is equal to 1 over 2 u to the power of minus 1 over 2. Since the power of negative, therefore we can rewrite in such a way, 1 over 2 u to the power of 1 over 2 root u. The general formula dy by dx dy by dx is equal to dy by du times du by dx. Since the two fraction are given, dy by du means that 1 over 2 root u means that u, since x squared minus 4x plus 5, therefore you can substitute in such position x squared minus 4x plus 5 times du by dx is 2x minus 4, this one, 2x minus 4. This is equal to 2x minus 4 over 2x minus 4 over 2 root x squared minus 4x plus 5. This is the derivative of the function y in terms of with respect to x, dy by dx of the function. The third example is that the logarithm function with base 10, and to find the derivative of f, let u equals to x squared plus 4. This is also a polynomial, therefore we can simply say that du by dx is equals to d by dx of x squared plus 4, which is 2x. The other thing, dy by du equals d by du of logarithm of u, since x squared plus 4 is equals to u, in base 10. As you remember from logarithm rule of derivative, logarithm of a in base b equals the derivative of this one is 1 over a ln base. That means 1 over a ln b. This one is the general formula, logarithm rule. From this we can say that dy by dx, first of all we can complete the function 1 over u ln 10, since the base is 10, therefore dy by du equals 1 over u ln 10. The general formula dy by dx, to find the derivative function dy by dx equals dy by du times du by dx. Since dy by du is 1 over u ln 10, this is equal to 1 over, since the function dy by du equals to 1 over u ln 10 times du by dx is 2x. This one, 2x. This is equals 2x over u is equals to x squared minus 9 x squared plus 4 2x squared plus 4 times ln 10. This is the function, the derivative of dy dx, the derivative of y with respect to x is this one. Let me add one example. Let we say y is equals to one particular example. y is equals to cos into x square minus 9. We can see that. Therefore, the first thing is let y is equals to x square minus 9, the inner function. Du by dx is equals to x square minus 9, the derivative of this one. D by dx of x square minus 9, which is equals to 2x. The second thing is that dy by du equals d by du of cos u, since u is equals x square minus 9 cos u. This is equals d by du of cos u means that's minus sin u. Dy by du equals minus sin u. Now we can find the two values. Therefore, we can rewrite the general form. Dy by dx equals dy by du times du by dx. Now substitute its value. Dy by du is minus sin u times du by dx equals to x. Dy by d is this one, the derivative of x squared minus 9, 2x. Therefore, substitute the value of u in its position. Therefore, minus 2x sine, that means x squared minus 9. This is the derivative of y is equals to cos x squared